See these dandelions? Don't they look pretty? I mean, bees like them, and they look like flowers, and they smell like flowers. Do they look like flowers? Yes. They have a stem, they have petals, and they have nectar for the bees. And they are very yellow and pretty. I don't think that they're weeds. So, if you're someone that's watching this out there and you're putting fertilizer, I don't think you should. These are very pretty. And the bees need them. These are the first flowers that come out for the bees. And then if there's none of these, then there's no honey, because then the bees don't have any flowers to go to. And there's only a couple dandelions. People keep putting fertilizer. Maybe they may hurt the grass, but still. Hey, these flowers, these are for ants, but they're always like, they're honey, but if there's no flowers, or bugs, or bumblebees, or bees, or any honey or anything, that would be sad. Do a tap channel.
What are you looking for?
Tap. Oh, I see it.